Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here, bringing you a video related to cryptocurrency penny stocks. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I've done now one or two other cryptocurrency videos associated with different stocks that you can buy into to ride the cryptocurrency wave. You know, Bitcoin on its way to $100,000 plus per coin by 2022, which is why I think it's where I think it's going to be. Ethereum continuing to go up. I own Ethereum. I own other related cryptocurrency stocks like Marathon. Going to be buying some Hive and Riot, things like that. But this video, I'm going to talk to you specifically about penny stocks. Yes, you heard me say the penny word. I'm going to be talking to you about penny stocks associated with the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so these stocks have been just blowing it up, and they're still great deals at their current buying levels. I want to say up front that this video is for entertainment purposes only, as always. I also want to say up front that this will not be a deep technical dive, fundamental analysis dive. That's not what I do. There are much better people here on YouTube that do that better. What my view and what I'm going to be doing for you specifically is to make you aware of these stocks, talk a little bit about them, what I think they're going to continue to do, what I think they're going to do in the long run, and do I think they're going to go up? Do I think that they're, you know, whatever I see with these relevant stocks. But it's really to make you aware of these penny stocks associated with cryptocurrencies, because here's the thing. What happens with cryptocurrency stocks is that they ride the wave of what is happening with the currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum predominantly, right? That's what happens. So as we continue to ride the wave of Bitcoin going up and Ethereum going up, these cryptocurrency stocks will ride the wave up and will continue to rise as well. That is just simply fundamentally what I believe will happen, and so it's a way, if you can't afford right now the $55,000 plus per Bitcoin or $1,700 per Ethereum, you can't, but you want to be into cryptocurrency, this is a good way to do it. So that's what we're talking about, is the best penny stocks for you to look at today, but they're associated with crypto, which is a really cool space. So it's like you're looking at these penny stocks, but they're not just penny stocks out there just for the heck of it. They're associated with one of the hottest markets going, which is crypto. That's what we're talking about today. So as always, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm here every single day working for you, bringing you these videos, trying to make you aware of new things, and just I'm here working for you. I really want to help you make more money with stock investing, cryptocurrency investing, just make better choices. That's my goal, real simply. And I'm building this community for you guys. I'm a 30+ year investor myself, and I'm here, and I just love making videos and love just helping you guys out any way that I can to make you aware of what's going on. And so please drop a like on this video if you get value out of it. So with all that said, let's jump into this and let's go see these 3 stocks that I've got for you that are penny stocks that are associated with crypto that I think you might be interested in, and these are pretty cool. Here we go. Okay, so you cannot start a conversation related to cryptocurrency and penny stocks without talking about the 2 main dominant cryptocurrencies out there, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I said earlier, and I'm going to say it again, I think that Bitcoin is going to go to $100,000 plus per coin by 2022. That's what I think it's going to do. And if you look at kind of a one year time frame for Bitcoin, it's up 781%. If you look at a 1 year time frame for Ethereum, it's up 1,200%, a little bit better percentage. I own some Ethereum as well. Disclosure: I do not own any Bitcoin. Very seriously considering buying some though. But man, at that price point, that's a lot. But hey, there you go. Okay, so let's talk about the 3 penny stocks that I've got for you related to Bitcoin and Ethereum. It really related to crypto. So before I get into that, I want to clarify. I want to put something on the record, okay? And that is this: is that penny stocks, you already know this, are very volatile. Penny stocks will go up and go down, and they are extremely volatile. I'm just going to say it. I'm going to say volatile 4 more times. I'm kidding. Also, what I want to add into this is that when you're looking at stocks that are associated with cryptocurrency, they tend to react positively and negatively to what is going on with the currencies themselves, right? So that's my point of making this video, is that if Bitcoin goes to $100,000 plus per coin, wouldn't it make sense and Ethereum continues to do its thing and just continue to rise as well, wouldn't it make sense that cryptocurrency related stocks will continue to ride the wave? Yes, it would. I did another video where I talked about two stocks that are not penny related, that are not penny stocks, and that was Riot and that was Marathon, right? So I've talked about those in a previous video. You can check that video here on my channel. But this video is talking about 3 penny stocks, okay? So again, maybe these are a little bit too rich for your blood. Maybe you don't want to, hey, Austin, I don't want to put up $36 or $48 per share for these respective Bitcoin mining operations. Well, here's 3 other related blockchain mining operations, stocks for you to consider, okay, that are true penny stocks. But I want you to understand that these are volatile, they will move up and they will move down. And so you've got to be I have a saying, you have to go into it eyes wide open, and you've got to go into it with the context that, hey, it's going to move up and it's going to move down, and you've got to be willing to ride those waves, okay? So the first one that I've got for you is one called Hive. I'm a huge fan of Hive. I think that it is a seriously up and coming company, and like right now their market cap is 1.5 billion Canadian, right? Okay. Their year range is 17 cents to $7.25. Right now they're trading at approximately $4.14. If you look at a 1 month chart, you can see that they've been kind of on a downhill slide, related to kind of the overall. This last week was kind of a rough week, obviously, and I think that it was kind of a direct corollary in kind of relation to that. Although we ended Friday up, that's kind of a 1 month time frame, okay? But if you look at a 6 month time frame, this is where it gets interesting. And before I hit this button, I want to state something as well that I usually mention, but I'm going to mention it here. Is that when I'm looking at investing in stocks, guys, I'm not looking at day trading or short-term trading. I am not bashing day trading, nor bashing short-term. It's just not how I tend to invest. I tend to be a longer-term investor, and I'm investing for 6 months is a minimum usually, unless something weird happens in the market, or it's really a 12-month time frame. 12-month time frame, right? So in that scenario, right there, a 6 month investment. If you would have invested back in September, 38 cents, your 6 month return is a 900 plus return on that particular stock. Okay, I mean can you hear one of my dogs? That's one of my Australian Shepherds barking. That's what happens when you're recording videos. This is live. Don't try this at home, right? Okay, so 6 month, 900 plus percent. Look at a 1 year. 1900 plus percent. Again, back here at 18 cents, all the way up to our peak, approximately. Well, we know our peak's a little higher, it was like seven and change, but $6.80 Canadian, right? But what I like about what's happening, but you're like, hey, Austin, if you look at this trend line right here, let's look at, look, Austin, this is going down. Yes, it is, okay? I'm okay with it going down. I want to state that for the record. I'm okay with it going down. Why? Because this is a buying opportunity. If you're looking at, if you fundamentally believe in something I started off the video, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum going to continue to go up in value? Yes or no? If you believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to go up in value, then by relation, these stocks should as well. And thus, at $4.14, you have extremely low exposure. Go buy yourself 100 shares for $414 approximately, Canadian dollars. I don't know the exchange rate, but you get my point, okay? Go buy yourself that, okay? Because that's what I'm trying to point out, right? Is that if you look at that, it's a buying opportunity. Okay, it's a buying opportunity. It simply is. Okay. If you look at similar to this DMG blockchain, $2.37, 1 month time frame. Okay, again, down 35% in the last month. Okay, again, I think it's a direct corollary to kind of what has been happening in the overall marketplace, NASDAQ, Dow, etc. But if you look at a 6 month time frame, in this scenario, you're looking at a 2,800 plus percent return. If you had bought back when it was 9 cents Canadian all the way to here, it's a 2,800 plus return. Again, 100 shares, would not cost you a lot. There's extremely low relative exposure. Okay. HUT 8, similar. 1 month, we're down 20%. 6 month, up 809%. Again, another mining operation, right? 1 year, up 1,200%. Okay, so that's my point, is that these are all stocks that you could look at that are associated with Bitcoin cryptocurrency, and oh, by the way, they're penny stocks. To be able to, take advantage of that and potentially have more buying, you could buy more stocks. So a few final thoughts here. I am a fan, unequivocally, of crypto. Crypto is here to stay. It's going to continue to, obviously I know that's duh, Austin, I know. But my point to you is that you have to fundamentally make a choice. Do you believe that crypto is going to go up or down? Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And if it is, do you believe that the associated stocks are going to go up or going to go down associated with that? And I would tell you yes, because they ride the hype up and they ride the hype down. And if you're looking for penny stock investments, I like penny stock investments. I have some penny stocks, and I'm looking at a couple of these that I showed you in this video because I think there's opportunity here. I already own Mara. I'm looking to add some Riot. Those are those other two stocks that I showed you, $35 and $40, give or take, respectively. And I like the fact that I could go pick up some Hive or HUT 8 and have some additional cryptocurrency plays, and at such a low per stock price, potentially get a really, really nice gain. And I'm viewing this as a long-term investment. I'm viewing this as I'm going to buy and I'm going to hold and I'm going to write it, and I'm going to defer the payday down the road, so to speak, right? So yeah, I'm going to wrap up there. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so. Drop a like on this video if you've gotten value out of this video. My goal is real simple, is to make you aware of 3 related penny stocks, number 1, that are backed and in play in the cryptocurrency marketplace, which makes them even more interesting to me because they're in crypto, and they're gonna get more movement. They're gonna be more fun. They're gonna go up and they're gonna go down. You got to be cool with that. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. See you around. Take care.